It's Tuesday, the 12th of October, and we've got your cherry bomb for today. Hope you're ready. We're looking at Southwest Airlines, good old LUV. Looking for a falling knife again, are we? We've done several short puts in a row, and today's no different. We're looking at the monthlies this time, so our liquidity should be a little bit better. Should be about what we'd expect, 3 drops out of 4, right? And in this case, we have an IV rank of 32, and we're going to be about the 15 delta. So the P50 for this trade is really high. It is 98%. So yeah, it's not big bucks. The 50% of our max profit is not big dollars, but having a 98% probability of collecting that before expiration, that's pretty good. So it's hopefully going to be an easy $25. Should we see if that works out? Let's go ahead and find out. Hi everybody, my name is Neil. This is Option Theory. Thanks so much for joining us. I'm going to go ahead and actually hit the right button there so that my screen is the right size. We're inside of Thinkorswim's simulated trading, so we get all the learning without any of the risk. Hopefully you'll join us and stay through the end. That really does help me when you watch these videos to the end. And yeah, I'll give you a thumbs up if you make it that far. All right, on screen here, you can see that we have our margin account pulled up. We only have 2 positions. Our IRA's got more positions. We have 1 position here that we looked at. Well, probably should manage here. We're over the 50% of our max profit, and then 1 in our IRA. So we'll do that at the end. Stay tuned. We'll see how we can manage those. But let's go build today's cherry bomb. I'm just going to go ahead and hit Analyze, go to Add Simulated Trade. LUV is typed into the ticker box for me. If not for you, go ahead and type that in there. If you wanted to take a quick look at the chart, you can see that here. We can see the drop that has happened thanks to the cancellation news. Right, so there we go. You know, I have to say, I feel like we're more likely to continue dropping for a little more rather than bounce back up again. So I'm not 100% bullish myself yet. Were it me, I'd wait a little longer. But that might mean we'd miss out on those on profits. It could go the other way. Since this is simulated trading, we're going to go ahead and try to see how it works of just following trades that are emailed to us every day. More on that at the end. So go ahead and let's go back to the Analyze tab. I'm going to go make sure that we're in the November monthlies with 38 days to expiration as of today, the 12th of October. And we're looking at selling, apparently it's the 14 delta, the 45 strike put. Going to go ahead and click the bid for the 45. That's going to go ahead and put 1 contract for me. Yours may be 10. Be careful of your position size. Did a video on how to set your order defaults. Go ahead and check that out. There we go. 1 contract put, 45 strike for the November monthlies. 52 cents is the natural bid. You could probably dial that up a penny, maybe 2, but you know, it's not that big of a difference, so let's just go ahead and leave it there. I want to go to the risk profile, because after we do this, you know, where we build the trade, it's always good to see our risk profile. Let's set the date in the top right corner to the same date that you see in the bottom left here, which would be November 20th. There's that. And then I want this gold price slice, which I can manually drag, to automatically set itself to where that blue line hits the 0. That's our break even. When is that our break even? At expiration. So let's go ahead and choose set slices to break even and then add expiration. You can't see that I did that. I promise that's what I'm doing. So again, hit this menu option here, choose set slices, choose break even, and then choose the blue number. That sets this right here, and we're at an 84.75% probability of profit at expiration according to Thinkorswim. According to Tastyworks, which I'll switch to real fast so you can see this same trade pulled up over here, and let me get this the right width. There we are. We're looking at a probability of profit of 84%. Compare that to the, oh boy. Yeah, boy. All right, 84.75, pretty close. All right, the P50 on this one, 98%. That's what I said earlier in the episode there. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to Thinkorswim and get this trade where we right click it, we choose confirm and send. I click this button so you can see the confirm and send screen. And now you can see my whole entire desktop, all right? Because that's the only way apparently for me to show you this little window. So the max profit's 52, max loss is $4,448. That's bigger risk than many of you may want to take. In a margin account, they're not going to hold that much buying power. It's only 451. If this were your IRA, of course, it's going to use that much buying power. I'm going to throw this into my margin account, even though I normally like to put my short puts in my IRA. I'm going to go ahead and hit send, and there you have it. We've got that put into our working orders over here. Let's go ahead and take a look at this EEM. I'm going to go ahead and, oh, by the way, you made it to the end of today's cherry bomb, so thumbs up to you. I'm going to go ahead and manage a couple trades. Stick around if you'd like to see me do that. If not, hey, leave a like before you leave. That'd be great if you think I've earned it. And maybe someday you'll come back and subscribe. We'll be here doing our thing. Hopefully you'll join us. All right, let's go ahead and right-click this guy here and choose Analyze Closing Trade. And we're going to buy that back for 32 cents. Okay, so there's that trade there. Buying it back for 32 cents. Right-click it, choose Confirm and Send. There we go. Of course, the question is, what did we pay for it? We could look that up too. EEM, right? Go ahead, monitor, account statement. It wasn't 7 days ago. Let's go back 30 days. I don't even know. EEM. And activity and positions. What are we doing here? EEM. Okay. We sold it for 50 cents. So we would have made what, 18? Is that what it's saying? 28. Okay. That doesn't seem right. EEM should be a $28 profit. 50 cents. Take away, what did we say? You got to buy it back for what now? 32. That doesn't seem right. I guess the price is going to change. So let's not manage this one today. Cancel that order. Cool. Not going to manage that one until the market opens. Let's see what happens. Hopefully I'll get a lunch break to do that one. So, sorry. We're going to wait to see what happens after the dust settles in the morning. Okay. All right. I said if you wanted to get those cherry bombs like me, you'd want to stick around and tell you how to do that. Go down to the description link. You'll find a link to sign up with Tasty Trade. It is Tasty Trade's emails that you want to get. They come from them. We use these trades, of course, to build a portfolio and see if we can be profitable on trades that are sent to us. All right. Thank you so much for joining us. I look forward to seeing you in tomorrow's cherry bomb, everyone. Until then, may the market be with you.